Yes,
Number
ma'am,
6
my
to
one is
number
matching.
Yes, ma'am, matching.
Ma'am, my also it has matched.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, this is very easy question. So we have
Yes.
1,02,000.
Charitro, you have checked?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. And let me check. Sheikh Riazuddin, Shayon Haldar, Anuva, these three students. And Ujan Bhakto also. Ujan is there. Ujan Orpon Shafin. Yes, I can see them. Have you done the homework? Ujan, unmute yourself and say, and check your answer. Basically, I have given you the homework, but in the assignment section, probably I have not given. Okay. So
Yes,
from
ma'am.
today, I'll give it in assignment section. But otherwise, in every day, I am giving you the homework even. But in the assignment section, don't worry. From today, I'll give. Huh?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am,
So now,
today we will start exercise 8, right?
yes,
Okay,
that
ma'am.
is division. Basically, there is not. If you know how to divide a number, then there is nothing to understand. But
And
you have
ma'am,
to
one
solve.
process and only ma'am verification.
Yes, verification, that all I'll make you understand. Okay, but not today. At first, today, complete some normal division. Okay. I am showing you the screen.
Question.
Yes, eh?
Will we copy the questions?
No. No need to copy. Okay. For the first one only, I have written this. No need to copy. Acha, put the date. Okay. Put the date CW. Date CW.
Ma'am, you haven't done the A number, ma'am.
Yes. So many questions and same type of problem are there na. If I have to do all the, suppose 30 questions are there. Okay, suppose I am doing 22 to 25 and the rest are your homework. Then is there any problem, beta?
No, ma'am, I am only
No, A
telling
is
that.
your homework. Okay, but look, today I'll give that A, C, these are homework, so I'll give this in the assignment section. Okay.
But ma'am, I have done A only.
A you have done, that is very good. No issue. Again, you have to do Trisha. Acha, now let me explain it. Huh? Basically, this one we have to divide. We have to divide this 16,17,416 by 16,17,416 by 724. Usually, we don't know the table of 724, right? So, how to check?
Multiplication, ma'am.
Always, but my multiplication, always look at this place. Okay, last place from the right side. Okay, that means it is 724. So, highest place is which one? 100 plus 7. So, look at this. Okay, and just rough calculation. Okay, 7 1 is 7. 7 2s are 14. Now here, just take, it is a 3-digit number. Here it is also 3-digit number. If we take 161, these are less than 724. So definitely we have to take 4-digit number. So 1617. We have to take this 4-digit number. Now look at these two places. 7 2s are 14. So, and here it is given 16. Highest place. 100 place it is given 1600. And here it is, if we multiply by 2, 14. Suppose we are multiplying by 3. 3 7 21. Look, 21 is greater than this 16 now. So we are not going to take this 3. Okay, we have to take 2, the nearest one. Now is it clear? Yes or no? You can unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha,
Also
okay.
know it very before.
Yes,
Yes, you know it, I know. Okay, now don't shout, huh? And even this rule also has been done in the last class. That means class 4. Done to? Or
Yes,
not?
ma'am.
Acha, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now by 2, look, it is 1448. Then normal subtraction, okay. After doing normal subtraction, it is coming 169. Look. So again, this one is less than 724. So we have to take from this number, we have to take 4. After taking 4, it will be 1694. Now look, again we can take by 2 because 14 is the nearest one. So just continue it, complete it. Acha, the screen is,
Completed.
okay, is the screen properly visible?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Orgodip
Yes,
Maji,
ma'am.
Orgodip Maji, you are the new student, so have you understood, Orgodip?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Okay. Complete it first, huh? After that, just write the quotient. Acha, for this first question, I'll verify it, huh? How to do the verification, I am showing it.
Ma'am,
Look,
we also have to do verification.
yes, you will also have to do, huh? Look at this. Verification, basically, which one is divisor, which one is dividend?
Ma'am, divisor
Where
is
is-
the
no,
seven.
you are not going to say. You are not going to say. Okay. Wait, Ashmita, do you know which one is divisor and which one is dividend?
No, ma'am.
Divisor and dividend. This one is, huh? Dividend. Do you know? Ashmita, Riazuddin, Ujan, do you know it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, acha, good. Acha, Ashmita, listen to me very carefully, huh? Anubha also. Look, suppose we are dividing, I am taking a small number, okay, 23. And we are dividing 23 by 3, okay. Look, then this one is called dividend. By actually, which number we are making the, for which one we are making the division, that number is known as dividend, okay. And by which number we are making the division, we are doing the division by which number, 23 by 223, by which number we are dividing, by 3. Ashmita, yes, though. So this one is known as divisor. Now you can remember it. And the answer, look, suppose after dividing it, 3 7 is 21 minus this one will be 2. This is called remainder, this is called quotient. Okay, the answer, this is called quotient. Quotient. And here it is called remainder. Okay, this is called remainder. Now no one will forget. Now you will forget this. No one will forget though. Anuva, understood?
No, ma'am, we will not forget.
Acha, okay. Anuva, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, Orgodi?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now how to check our division? After division, how to check it? Look, this one is called dividend. Just let me denote it. It is dividend. Dividend. It is divisor. Okay, acha, here is remainder. Look, after subtraction, it will be 0 though. So remainder is nothing actually, that is 0. It is remainder. Yes. And this one is called quotient. Now how to check it? Orgodeep, listen to me very carefully. Huh? Basically, the rule is dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. All of you write this rule.
Ma'am, it is written in our book only.
Okay, then also you have to write it in your copy.
No, ma'am.
It is your duty to paste it in the copy, okay?
But ma'am, I do not have much place.
What? In your copy you don't have space. Then
Yes,
buy a
ma'am.
copy, Trisha. Trisha, you have enough shoe. You have enough dress. But copy you have only one, nah?
No, ma'am, I am not telling
Ma'am,
you.
I have also less space in my copy.
I think she is trying to say that in one page she doesn't have this.
So what? Move to the next page.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, yes. Simply.
Just
Ma'am, I
write
have
this one, okay? Dividend. Acha, I have written only QUO, huh? Basically, write the whole word, full word. Quotient. QUOTIENT. Quotient into divisor plus remainder. Acha, now let me check it, verify it, whether it is true for all or not. Okay? Basically, the first one which I do, 23, that one, okay? By 3, we are dividing. Yes.
My phone has low charge. I can left. Rozgar problem.
Oof. Every day the same problem. And I have left what? I can left what? Which type of English is this? Achha, okay, look. Look, charge your phone. Okay, just leave for 5 minutes. Okay, charge your phone. Then again after 5 minutes join, huh? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
And tell me your name.
Ma'am, Sheikh Riyajuddin.
Okay. Acha, now look how to check it. Basically, I told you this one dividend, this one divisor, and this one quotient. I am denoting it by Q, and this one remainder R. Look, just check it for this smaller one first. Okay. Dividend means 23. That will be equal to what? Quotient into divisor. Look, 3, 7. 3 into 7 plus remainder plus 2. Is it matching? 21 plus 2. Is it matching?
Yes, ma'am, it is. Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
now for this one, we also have to check it. Okay. Acha, how to check it? For checking, just write here, quotient is already written over there. Write divisor or divisor. It is 724. Then write dividend. That is equal to 16,17,416. Then write remainder. Achha, here basically remainder is equal to 0. So you will write remainder is equal to 0. All of you are doing this though? This verification?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now just give heading verification. Verification. Achha, mute yourself. Just like every day the sound is coming from Trisha.
No, ma'am.
I think Ikshita.
Mute yourself. Acha, Oishi, mute yourself. Okay, now verification, what to do? First, dividend is given already. Okay, no need to find out it. Just divisor into remainder. divisor, अच्छा divisor into quotient, divisor into quotient plus remainder. Find out this is equal to, divisor means 720 2234 plus 0 is equal to, look, this answer will be there. Huh? The same answer will be there if we multiply it. Now already multiplication done, so check it. I am not doing the multiplication. Plus 0 means something, plus 0 means that something will come back. Okay.
And the same number.
Yes. After doing this verification here, now just is equal to write dividend.
Ma'am, my answer is matching.
Okay. Acha, so verification done. So now no need to do the verification for question number 1. Okay. This one, for the first one you have done, that is okay. For the, from the second one, no need to do the verification. Verification we will do from question number 3. Okay. Acha, all of you done. So I'll wrap the screen.
Yes, ma'am, you have done.
Anuva, I'll wrap the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number D, have you done?
Ice cream, ice cream.
Yes, ma'am, you have done.
Ice cream, get it down, man.
Okay, no need to talk too much. Number D done to?
Yes, ma'am, we have done.
Yes,
All
ma'am.
of you.
All of you, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anuva.
Ma'am, do we need to?
Then in that case, you have to write the remainder. Okay. If
Okay,
it is
ma'am.
0 also, then also you have to write. Suppose it is asking in the question, find the remainder and quotient. Acha, now
Yes,
look at this.
Then.
Acha, now number F, 1F and 2AC. Mute yourself. Ipshita, mute yourself. Yes. Amitrajit, want to play or sleep? If it is time to play, then okay. As it is maths class, that's why. Look at Amitrajit, so much boring. His face is looking so much boring. Yes, now it is okay. Be energetic. Where is that energy?
Ma'am, in orange juice.
Acha. I am coming at your home, Ipshita, within 5 minutes. Acha, let me explain 2A. At first complete this one, then I'll explain 2A and B. Yes. So only by 1. It will be divisible by 1. So by 812, if we multiply it, no need to take any other digit even. Why? Because it is here given 3-digit number 987. So it is 8 is the nearest number of 9. So just by taking 1 we can divide it. Yes. So it will be 812. Now do the subtraction. It will be 175. Okay. Now this one is less than 812. So we have to take this 2 from the original number. It will come over there. Now it has becoming 1752. Yes, so now again by 812 we have to divide. So just look at this 8. Multiply by 2. 8 2s are 16, which is nearest number to 17. So by 2 we can easily divide this. Yes, look at this. We have taken these two. Just wait a minute. Look, by 2 we have taken it. The same thing will be repeating over there. Normal subtraction, now it has come. There is 128. Again we have to take this 4. Now it is 812. If we multiply by 2, 8 2s are 16, which is greater than this 12. So by 1 we have to take. Again it will be 812. Now do the subtraction. Okay, it will be 472. Yes, so okay, Ipshita completed.
Yes, ma'am.
Acha, okay. Acha, for the other, let me continue also. Now this 0 will be there. Now do normal division. Acha, it is 47. If we take 812, look, I told you to look at 100 place, the highest place. 5 8s are 40. Yes, and if we take 6 8s are 48. 48 is greater than this 47, so we have to take this one, 5. Okay, now look at this.
Ma'am, after C, you have done D, right?
After C, I have done D. Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Achha, at first, let me see you the numbers. In class, basically, you are going to do A, B, D, F.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Completed all the.
Achha, A, B done too.
Yes, ma'am. Also C. Also
Yes,
D.
ma'am.
Also D or D done. Okay. Achha, all of you, I am telling to everyone. Okay. Riyazuddin, Shinjini. Okay. Achha.
Yes, ma'am. Already done. F also.
Done. Okay, now let me check the name I'll call. Okay, I am not taking the attendance individually. Okay, when I'll check your copy, at that time attendance will be there. Okay, if someone is not showing me the copy, he or she will be absent. Be careful.
Ma'am,
Huh?
I have done 1 and 2 all.
Okay, good.